Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Thursday, July 11th. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we will be providing an update from the S&P. This is SPX 45 minutes chart here. We can see that it made a new all-time high earlier today after the testimony by Jay Powell. All right, and we can see right here in the rally from June 12th is proposed to be in a diagonal. So we can see right here we got a 1 2 3 4 5 as a diagonal, and soon is going to end this wave 1 in the black, right? So this wave 1 here is going to be wave 1 of 3, and then after that we will see a 3 pullback correction to correct this entire rally, or to correct this entire diagonal here, leading diagonal. And then after this 3 correction is finished, we can see another leg to the upside. So overall then still is favored to the upside. Now regarding this invalidation level here, now note that this invalidation level is really only from the last push higher. That's it. It doesn't mean that this wave 2 will hold above this. Alright, because technically speaking, if this is correcting in the wave 2 in black, that will be correcting this entire rally. Okay, so technically if we are talking about this wave 2 here, the real sort of invalidation level is going to be here. Okay, so the current invalidation level here is really only for a minor move that we still think can happen to finish these 5 waves, right? So it's a very short term type of move that we are looking here. And again, overall the index still remains bullish in our view. All right, and we still continue to like the upside more. Now if we take a look at the daily, zooming out, nothing changes here so far. We can see from the December 26, 2018, we got a sequence of a higher high here, right? So we can see this one looks impulsive, and then we finish the correction here and we got a new high. So this looks like a 1 2 here, and then now we are within the wave 3, right? And based on this 1 hour chart, we can sort of look at the daily chart. So this is your 1 and 2 of 3, right? So let's suppose this is 1 in the larger degree like this, or A, doesn't matter, 1 or A, and this is 2 or B. Then we are in the wave 3 in the blue, and then this is 1 2, and then now we're looking for to finish 1 2 3 4 5 diagonal, and then pull back, and then higher again, still within wave 3 in the red, right? So that will be sort of the more or the most aggressive view in the market. But as far as we stay above this trend line, and as far as we stay above this, there is no reason to expect for any kind of crash, right? Like what some people are always suggesting. So right now, the alternate that that is also possible is the idea that now instead of 1 2 1 2, because technically this is going to be a 1 2 1 2 nest count. So this is 1 2, and this is another 1 2 like this. So it's nesting. So instead of this, the less aggressive view, but still also the implication still remains bullish, is the idea that we could also see, this is kind of the current view. The less aggressive view is to suggest that we could end the wave 1 somewhere here, and then we can always adjust the count to fit this one. Now if that is the case, then the pullback here is not only just going to be correcting this rally here, but this pullback is going to be correcting this entire rally from this low in June the 3rd, right? So if it is going to correct this entire rally from June the 3rd, then we could potentially get a bigger pullback. Something like this will not be totally impossible, right? Now in fact, the lower the pullback is actually the better, because if someone was intends to kind of try to buy, the lower you can get, the better. So you can do something like this, for example, retesting this trend line again, and then resume higher. So I think the idea is very simple. What the key level is going to be the June low. That will be the key level for any bullish view. If this pivot is gone, then we have to reassess the situation, right? Or if we break below this trend line, it's time to reassess. But as long as that doesn't happen, no speculation is gonna crash, it's gonna top out. There is no speculation on that. All right, and we continue to keep pushing it to the upside because of the sequence is a high, and potentially it can go to as high as 3,300. 3,300 is like 10% higher. All right, next target is going to be 3,100, but then potentially can go to 3,300. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. As always, we have a 14 days free trial. If you like to try our service, the link is going to be provided in the description of the video below in the YouTube. And have a nice day, everyone, and see you all again next time.